ever dropped a big messy spoonful of yellow turmeric dal right onto your favorite white shirt? Oh no, but wait. When you run to the sink and scrub it with soap, whoosh, the yellow stain suddenly turns deep red. Is it magic? Nope, it's an invisible chemical reaction. For centuries in India, the same secret has been used to make bright red kumkum, a word with roots in Sanskrit. By simply mixing yellow turmeric with a base called slaked lime, same turmeric, completely different color. Want to feel this invisible power right now? Rub a little lemon juice on your fingers. It feels slightly sharp and squeaky, right? That's an acid. Now rinse your hands, rub a drop of soapy water. Slippery. That's a base. Just remember to wash your hands completely when we are done. To understand what's happening, we need to zoom in. Imagine acids like lemon juice are full of tiny energetic particles called hydrogen ions, and bases like soap have particles called as hydroxide ions. When they meet, they combine instantly and form something completely new: water and salt. Calm, stable, neutral. This idea comes from the work of Svante Arrhenius, a Swedish scientist. In 1884, he showed that acids and bases in water break into charged particles and react with each other. This process is called neutralization. And turmeric? It acts like a natural indicator, changing color to show what's happening. And this is not just a kitchen trick. It helps protect our environment. In water treatment plants, acidic waste from factories is carefully neutralized before being released, so our rivers stay safe and life continues. And if you love playing with taste, color, and reactions, you could even become a flavor chemist. These scientists design the perfect balance of flavors, like the tang in a candy or the sharpness in a drink. They use acids and bases to create experiences we love. I'm Dr. Kavita from Urjeevi Spark. The world around you is full of invisible reactions just waiting to be understood. Keep questioning, keep exploring. I'll see you in the lab.